Welcome everyone. We are discussing mantra number 13, the unlucky one. And this mantra, if we don't face it, it will actually be the unlucky one. That is fear. Ma'am, was this planned or coincidence? 13 and fear.
Well, Sanjay, it was a combination of both. 13, the unlucky one, and fear, it goes well. So I planned my mantras accordingly. Somehow bet gaya. And fear is the unlucky one because it destroys dreams.
I know, during childhood, I used to think that there are only three fears. एक तो भूत का, दूसरा मम्मी का, and the third one, though I used to like it, शाहरुख खान का डर. But now that we all have grown up, and there's so many other fears, right?
Yeah, actually right, Ayushi. But those were not the real fear. Those were the real fears. The fears that we have now are mere hallucinations.
As kids, we always thought that the world is under our feet and we do anything and everything.
Right, Pujati. As we grow up, we tend to get restricted to a lot of things. We keep on thinking that whose fault it is actually, ours or the society's or whoever.
Well, I think it's a combination of both again. To a lot of extent, it is our fault because it is us who lets the fear enter our mind. Mind is a very powerful tool. You have to fill it with positive thoughts for you to be able to eradicate fear from your mind.
Yes, I would like to say that there are few things I fear a lot, like fear of public speaking. It makes my mouth go dry and I feel like, running away.
That's a common
Yes,
fear.
right, Lo. Exactly. And with that fear of interviews, even though I know I'm confident enough, I'm capable, but still, the fear of interviews is still there in me.
There is a fear which works in me, that is how people are going to judge me. The fear of people judging me, this is very constant in me, and this stops me from doing or participating in a lot of stuff.
And also, the fear of growing your business, work, and still wanting to, stay in your comfort zone.
Yes.
All these fears seem real until we face it. It's just the first time that matters. It is like काम चल रहा है ना, तो चलने दो. Why bother?
Exactly, and this is the time downfall begins.
Guys, I had immense fear of public speaking. Like, I always used to have my eyes down and couldn't even utter a word in front of, say, 3 people, leave about facing 100, 200 people. Immense fear of public speaking.
But that's why strange you are into this profession, right?
Yes, and aptly stated in your book, No Stopping You, face your fears until it no longer scares you, it no longer fears you.
So the best way to get rid of fear is by facing it. It's like do or die.
But bhai, the fear of corona, we cannot face it. If we will face the fear of corona, then we'll have to face the consequences. Like serious consequences of that.
Oh God. Aditya, stop telling PJs. I too had the fear of interviews, and then I started giving so many interviews that now I'm used to it.
But you tell me one thing, like what Ayushi said is a brilliant idea. But I don't understand how to get rid of the fear that I face, like people judging me. I want to get rid of it.
Shonali, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Let them say and judge.
Actually, when you know you are on the right path, don't fear. Why bother at all?
I agree, Dee, and I also agree to what Ayushi said. It's very important for all of us to come out of the comfort zone. We are so used to being in our shell that we don't feel like breaking it. But unless and until we break open the shell, we won't be able to fly. You know, we won't become a butterfly. We all will be caterpillars. Correct.
Stuck in a cocoon.
Yes.
And always remember, डर के आगे जीत है.
And people must be knowing there is a wonderful poem penned down by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore which says, where the mind is without fear.
Yes.
That is the apt
Mm.
poem.
Oh my God. Yes, Shonadi. Today I'll make it a point. I'm going to read that poem once again.
Please do.
We all have read that in our childhood. You know, सब अच्छे काम बचपन में करते थे and बड़े होकर we have lost ourselves.
Exactly. So let's take a pledge that let's find ourselves, face our fears, and just rock it.
Yes. Face your fears before it becomes an obstacle to live a full-fledged life. Come out of your comfort zone, and how to come out of your comfort zone is stated in the book No Stopping You. So just grab a copy of it. The e-book is available. Order now, and know that nothing in the world can stop you from living the life of your dreams, because there is no stopping you.
No stopping you.
No stopping you.